Channel. Today we are going to discuss the political science which is in prelims 2025 paper. So let us discuss the questions which is given in the UPSC 2025 prelims. So let us discuss the first question. Consider the following statements about the Lokpal. The power of the Lokpal applies to the public servants of India but not to the Indian public servants posted outside the India. So when we go to the first question, in the first question, let's go with the elimination method. So the power of Lokpal applies to the public servants of India but not to the Indian public servants. See, we need to understand not to the Indian public servants. It's wrong because it is applied to the outside the Indian public servants also. So you can eliminate this. The chairperson or a member shall not be a member of parliament or a member of legislature of any state or union territory, and only the Chief Justice of India, whether incumbent or retired, has to be its chairperson. No, it is not mentioned in the constitution. You can eliminate this. The chairperson or the member shall not be a person of less than 45 years age on the date of assuming office as a chairperson of the member as the case may be. It's true. The Lokpal cannot inquire the allegations of the corruption against the sitting prime minister. So when you understand the concept here, Lokpal cannot inquire. No, Lokpal, because see, what are the prime minister thing? Who will inquire if the prime minister done the corruption and the prime minister go against the constitution? The prime minister, the position of the prime minister comes under the purview of Lokpal itself. So option तो होता है option A. So let us go with the 66th question. The exercise of first question, the exercise of the power by the president, can be subjected to a limited judicial review. Okay, the first here is the exercise of the power of the president can be subjected to a limited judicial review. Yes, it's true. Because everything, what are the constitutional case, what are the thing, it comes under the judicial review. Like this, the exercise of this power by the president can be subjected to the limited judicial review. And second goal, the president can exercise this power without the advice of the central government. No, because when you see the powers and functions of the president, you will find this. Whatever the decision taken by the president should consult with the council of ministers, should consult with the prime minister, and should consult with everybody of the central government. So option 2 option the statement 2 है वो wrong है. So first this is only one correct. Okay, so again let us go with the question number 67. So let us go with this question number 67. Consider the following statements. See, the first statement is given. On the dissolution of the House of the People, the Speaker shall not vacate his or her office until immediately before the first meeting of House of the Lok Sabha after the dissolution. Okay, so the statement 1 जो है सही है. So according to the provisions of the constitution, a member of the House of the People on being elected as a speaker shall resign from his or her political party immediately. No, sorry, yeah, a speaker of the house may be removed from his or her office by the resolution of House of the People passed by a majority of all the members of the house, provided with no resolution shall be moved unless at least 14 days notice to be given. True. So let us go with एक और 3 सही है. So option is answer C is correct explanation for this. Okay, let us go with the 68th question. If any question arises as to whether the member of the House of the People has been subjected to disqualification under the 10th schedule, the president decision is accordance with the opinion of Council of Ministers shall be final. Okay, so first, there is no mention of word political party in the constitution. Okay, so there is no political party in the constitution. तो मे बी ये दोनों में ये क्यों होता है. So neither one or two. So you can expect only one or two, because see what are the things which is mentioned in this case. The explanation, when you see the anti-defection law punishes the individual member of parliament for leaving one party for another party. Suppose if the person who's ML or MP resign from the himself. Okay, so there is no mention of the word politics. So it may be option D, neither one or two. Okay, coming to the 69 question. In India, the state governments have no power for making rules for grant of concessions in the respect of the extraction of the minerals, minor minerals, even though such minerals are located in the territories. It's wrong, because the state governments have power. The state governments have the power, because when you see whatever these recent cases in 2009, when you see the cases, you will understand when you recently, because the state government has the power regarding the whatever the minerals which is there in the state, they can take the, because the contract which is given to the local politicians, right? So the statement जो वन है गलत है. So statement 2, in India the central government has a power to notify minor minerals under the relent law. So coming to the, yes, it can notify कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. Statement 1, considering the regarding option D, statement 1 is not correct, but statement 2 is correct, right? Let us go with